Hi. Okay, so for language this week, we had a busy week, and I'm not really sure why. So some of our language got bumped, and that's okay because with the weird 2 4 day weeks in a row and me going out of town, it's probably better that we're going to extend it out a little bit. We are going to be talking about adjectives, and when you're doing your work, you're going to notice that adjectives are usually right before the noun. All of adjectives are used to describe a noun. So a noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. So if you have a bunny, that's your noun. So ways to describe the bunny, you could write soft. You could write cute. You could write spotted. And all of those describe the bunny, right? So looking here, bunny, soft bunny, cute bunny, spotted bunny. All of those describe the bunny, and that's an adjective. An adjective in English is very, very likely going to be right before or just a little bit before the noun it's describing, okay? Because that's what the point of adjectives is to give you more detail about a noun. So the things that we're going to be discussing for this week are the first, you're going to be doing sight. So usually like color or size or shape, those are all going to tell you how it looks. So if I had a fish as my noun, a person, place, or thing, ways we could discolor, we could say the yellow fish, we could say the small fish, we could say the saltwater fish, because then that places it in a different place. But all of this describes your fish, okay? So that's the sight. And then the next one would be taste. So this time we could talk about food and what it might taste like. So if you had a lemon you could describe as sour, or you could describe as tart. All of those would be good ways to describe it. Or maybe like a pepper. You could write spicy, and that describes the taste of it, okay? Those are all ways to explain taste. And then also touch. So if we had, let's see, feathers. Feathers can be very soft, or they could be very smooth. And those are describing touch. Okay, so you've got sight, you've got touch, and then the next one we're going to do is sound and smell. So if you had a dog, right? And my dog she's a big dog, but her bark is yippy. She has a yippy bark. So the thing is her bark, right? That's the person, place, thing. The thing is her bark, and this adjective is describing it as yippy. Okay. Or if you had smell, it could be the dirty sock. I think you know what that means by dirty sock. Or how about the brewing coffee? That coffee that's brewing. It has its own smell. And so even though brewing can be a noun, in this one, it's the adjective because it's describing how the coffee is smelling. Those are some of those adjectives. So you have 3 worksheets on adjectives this week. The first one, you're going to be doing sight. The second one, you're going to be doing taste and touch. And then the third one is going to be sounds and smells. Okay. And please don't forget to do the apply and write. I'm going to actually highlight it so that you don't forget, because I want to make sure you're getting all of the lesson, because even though you're not here at school, it's important that you know what is being covered. Okay, that's the plan. I'll talk to you soon.